Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this powdered fish with just 2 ingredients. If you are interested, please keep watching. Thank you guys for always supporting your girl on this channel. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. In here I have 2 types of dry fish. I will be using the back or the peel of bonga fish, and then I have another one so-called abala fish from Delta State if I'm not mistaken. I will go ahead to pour this into a clean bowl or pot and then wash everything carefully. I wash this for 2 to 3 times just to remove the sand, and after washing I will go straight to filter it and allow the water to come off, and then after that I will place my parchment paper in my baking pan or tray, and then I will dry this. I will dry this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. I also have big crayfish that I will also be doing as well. I blended down separately. After 10 to 15 minutes of drying this, I will go straight to blend. I will be using my food processor to crush it first, and then I will use my blender to blend it into a powdered form. My blender is not that very strong. Here I put it into my blender and blending it. Now we have the powdered form. This is it. Instead of you to be throwing away the back of your bonga fish, throwing away the back of your abala fish, just keep it and then just do as I have said. Now you have crayfish powder. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.